Hi, I am Samanvay Sekhri, an 18-year-old college student pursuing Btech Computer Science from Chandigarh University, starting a new journey. Finally, yes, finally started a new YouTube channel, a new journey for me. And I was thinking for this since so long. I was very nervous about this and excited also. बट यू नो ना लोग कहते हैं पढ़ाई लिखाई पर ध्यान दो
आईएएस बनो और देश को संभालो
and let's not take much time and start the video. So as this is my first video on YouTube, ये मेरी पहली वीडियो है, so don't judge me because I'm little nervous. So you might have been thinking why am I doing this? Why this YouTube channel? मैं भी तो बाहर बाकी की तरह घूम सकता हूँ, have parties, have fun, but wait, I feel lucky. I really feel lucky that मुझे बहुत जल्दी समझ आ गया that to achieve something big in your life, you have to come out of this rat race and start struggling in your early stage. Start hustling in your early stages. From where did I get this motivation? So, talking about my inspiration, my mentors, Ankur Wariko, Beer Biceps, and my favorite, Aman Bhaiya, Aman Dhatwal. These people have influenced my mindset so vigorously that I have started believing in myself. Started believing that nothing is impossible in life. Just you have to start and take it to an end. And I really want to thank them. Thank you. So coming to the main point. On this channel, we will be talking about self-growth, knowledge, skills, student life, and many more things. So to support me, you can, and also, as this is an introduction video, so let's not take much time, and at the end I'd only say that start today and don't stop hustling. Thank you.